Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Big Thief here with some songs here. They'll released some songs here lately. So this one is called Blurred View. Another great song from Big Thief if you like this kind of genre here. So yeah, let's start right away. We need to set our capo on the first fret. We have only 3 chords here to cover. So let's start with those. We have the F first. So that is a bar here on the first fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. The next chord will be A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so we have this main part goes from F to A minor all the time. F, A minor, A minor. All right, but we need to look at the strumming pattern first to really know how to handle these chords. So we will have one strumming pattern that goes in the same way through the entire song. So yeah, let's grab this F chord, that is the first chord, and this strumming will sound like this. Alright, went a little bit fast there, but that is what it sounds like. So it's down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up. All right. So on the first 2 downs and ups, the down up here, you will play more on the bass strings, and on the rest, down, up, up, down, up, play more on the top strings. Okay. And the reason for that is because there's a melody there we want to pick up and try to kind of hit the notes from it. So that melody goes on in the background through the entire song. And the notes are these. Okay, so that is what you want to pick here on the top strings. So you found that melody on the B string to start with. 1st fret B string, then 2nd fret G string, then 2nd fret G string again, and a 3rd time on 2nd fret G string, and 1st B string. Alright, so that is what you're gonna pick here. So if you see here, the strumming pattern is about 7 times downs and up. The first 2 times, the down up, you will play on the bass strings here. And the 5 next times you will play down, up, up, down, up. That is 5 times you play downs or ups. And the notes we want to hit here are 5 as well. So that is the reason for us to hit the strumming here on the top strings, because for every down and up here, you will try to hit this 5 notes. So, right, and it's impossible to hit them right every time because we're strumming, we're not picking the strings, but it's great to be aware of that the notes are there, so you can kind of have more controlled downs and ups while you're strumming. So that means you will hit them very often, and very often they will be kind of emphasized as well if you practice your strumming there for this song. So that is what's going on here. So you're gonna play 4 strumming rounds for F. Right, and then 4 for A minors. Right? That is what's going on through the entire song. except from 3 places. The first place there is about 56 seconds into the song. From there on, you're gonna play 4 rounds of F. Then 2 rounds of A minor. Then back to 2 rounds of F. Then 2 rounds of G. And for this G, you can just strum. You don't have to pick these notes. So 2 rounds of G, and you end with 6 rounds of F. And so on. So 6 rounds of F there. That's the first time that we don't play just F and A minor at 56 seconds in. The next time will be at about 2 minutes and 20 seconds in. Then the chord progression will be like this: 2 rounds of F, then 2 rounds of A minor, then back to 2 rounds of F, then 2 rounds of G, and then 4 rounds of F. And right after this part here starts an instrumental part about 2 minutes and 37 seconds into the song, and we will not cover this. It's just an instrumental part and is not needed for this song. And then the third time we will go from the rule just between F and A minor. The switch there will be about 2 minutes and 55 seconds into the song, and that's the final time you will play there 2 rounds of F, then 2 A minor, then 2 of F, and 2 of A minor, 2 of F, and 2 of G. And that's the ending, because after this comes another instrumental part, kind of an outro part, and that is about 3 minutes and 15 seconds into the song, and that will not either be covered here on this tutorial. So that are the places where you're not gonna play the 4 times F and 4 times A minor. And I repeat, at about 56 seconds in, and the second time is about 2 minutes and 20 seconds in, and the third time is about 2 minutes and 55 seconds in. The rest is just switch between F 4 times and A minor 4 times, and that's it. So I hope that makes sense. Big Thief, blurred view, and I hope you appreciate this one, guys. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.